What's up YouTube, it's your boy Jay, aka Mr. Reebok, and today we're gonna go over some drip. These Reebok Classic Leather R.C 1.0s, ooh, is fire. Definitely something that you need in your summer wear. These Reeboks is definitely something that people need on their feet. Come on people, change it up for the summer. I know the summer's almost over, but let's keep going. The fall is coming. I like how the RC 1.0s are affordable and something that you can have in your closet. The only thing that I like about these shoes is just the color. It's made up of mostly a cream color, but the additional colors on it is green, gray, red. The bottom gum on these shoes are a mixed color and red. The inside of the shoe is a blue and green, and I love what Reebok did with the logo on the shoe. Also putting it on the side, and plus they put stitching of the Reebok logo on the side of the shoe, and you know I love that. So definitely this shoe remind me of the 80s hustle. I want to take some time to shout out Rick Ross and Cousin Stiz for the music that they put out recently, the dope albums. Definitely take a tune and listen to. The link will be in the bottom. The sneaker link will be in the bottom as well, where you could cop it from Reebok. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.